Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the RocRow InkSonic XP600 DTF printer. Click the link below for the best price. If you're in the custom apparel business or planning to launch your own clothing brand, the RocRow InkSonic XP600 DTF printer is a game-changing solution that delivers professional-grade results with impressive efficiency. This all-in-one direct-to-film printing system combines high-performance printing, automatic powder shaking, curing, and heat pressing, making it easier than ever to produce vibrant, high-quality prints on garments with minimal manual effort. At the heart of the system is the U13 DTF printer powered by the InkSonic XP600 printhead. Known for its precision and consistency, this printhead allows you to achieve rich colors, clean lines, and sharp detail on every transfer. Whether you're printing logos, full-color artwork, or intricate designs, the results are vivid, durable, and stretch-resistant, perfect for cotton, polyester, blends, and more. The 13-inch wide printing format gives you ample space to work with a variety of t-shirt sizes and layouts, while maintaining crisp resolution and a professional finish. The RocRow InkSonic also features a white ink circulation system that keeps your white ink flowing smoothly, preventing clogs and minimizing maintenance downtime. That means less time tinkering with the machine and more time producing high-quality prints. One of the standout features of this system is the automatic powder shaker, which takes care of evenly applying and distributing the hot melt adhesive powder on your printed film. It ensures every design sticks properly without excess or mess, giving you strong and clean adhesion to garments. Right after that, the automatic curing unit heats the film at optimal settings to prepare it for transfer, no need for a separate curing oven or manual labor. And when it comes time to apply your design, the included pneumatic heat press simplifies the final step. With consistent pressure and precise temperature control, this heat press delivers perfect results every time. It's especially useful for high-volume operations where speed and accuracy matter. Plus, the automated process reduces operator fatigue and enhances productivity, an absolute win for small businesses or print-on-demand setups. From single-color prints to complex, multi-layered artwork, this DTF machine handles it all with speed and reliability. You'll love how easy it is to batch process dozens of shirts without constantly adjusting the equipment. It's also beginner-friendly with a user interface and workflow that's simple to learn, yet powerful enough to meet the needs of experienced print professionals. The RocRow InkSonic XP600 comes as a complete solution ready to go, no need to piece together multiple devices or worry about third-party compatibility. And thanks to its efficient workflow and high production output, you can meet tight deadlines and fulfill bulk orders faster than ever before, helping you scale your business while keeping quality high. If you're looking for a reliable, full-featured DTF printing solution that offers vibrant color, professional detail, automation, and low maintenance, the RocRow InkSonic XP600 is a rock-solid investment that will elevate your apparel printing game. Click the link below for the best price.